Hello and welcome to another Introduction to Tricking series. Today we're going over the Feilong. This is a pop 3 with a tornado kick at the end. Let's see it in slow motion. You're going to wind up just like you would a pop 3, jump, twist, kick, execute a pop 3, and then at the end you're going to chamber your leg and release a round kick. 2 kicks in one trick. Alright, so let's go over how that's done. The takeoff is a pop takeoff, so it's the same as a pop 3. The first half is the same as the pop 3, identical. You want to jump, lift your leg, and it helps to turn your round foot outwards so that your hips get over so that you can execute the round kick just like in a tornado kick. You want to make sure you jump, set, kick, twist, chamber, and kick on your way down. So here it is again. Alright, so let's go over a few progressions on how to do this. Obviously, you need a strong pop 3 and a tornado kick. What you just saw there was a pop 3 hyper, meaning I'm landing on the leg that I'm kicking with. If you're landing like that, if you're landing on the leg that you're not kicking with, you want to work up to be able to land on 2 feet like I just did there, and then eventually onto 1 foot, the foot that you're kicking on. That's going to set you up nicely to execute a round kick. Okay, so the next progression I have is the learning how to do a pop tornado. So that there was just a normal tornado kick with a cheat takeoff. It helps to learn how to execute a pop tornado. So pop takeoff, instead of doing a pop 3, you keep the hook leg chambered and throw out a tornado kick. It's the same thing, you're just jumping off 2 feet instead of sequentially, one at a time. Once you're comfortable with that, you want to combine your pop 3 hyper with a pop tornado, and that's going to give you a Feilong. The last progression I have is doing a pop Feilong chambered. Okay. What this does is it helps you get the movement down, the jump. It helps you get the takeoff and the landing down, but not actually execute the kick. So it's easier to get the twist out. You don't have to think about getting the kick out right away. But just work on doing one at a time, doing chambered, and then pop tornado, then pop 3 hyper, and then finally you'll have a Feilong when you execute both kicks. Alright, so now we're going to go over some problems that I see. The first one that seems to be the most common is kicking too early. Like in the pop 3, if you kick too early, your kick's going to go off to the side, and it's going to require you to... it requires more momentum to carry your leg all the way around. So to fix this, you want to jump and set, wait, try to make that first kick nice and floaty, and if you extend it, get it all the way around, the round kick will come out naturally, so long as you turn your hips outwards. You want to make the 2 kicks distinct, not 2 kicks at the same time. 2 nice big distinct kicks is going to make your Feilong look a lot better, and it's going to be easier to land. The next problem I see is taking off with a cheat takeoff instead of a pop takeoff, which is fine. You know, a cheat Feilong is a different type of Feilong, but I'm teaching the pop Feilong because I think it looks better. It accentuates the first kick more, makes it a little bit more flashy. But you want to make sure that you are not kicking as soon as you leave the ground, because if you're lifting your hook leg while you leave the ground, you're doing a cheat takeoff. You want to jump off of both feet, twist, set, and then lift your hook leg. So that, because that's a pop takeoff. you take off if you take off sequentially, then it's obviously cheat takeoff. So I go back to the pop 3, work on that, and then move on to the Feilong if you're having problems with the pop takeoff. But anyways, other than that, that's pretty much my tutorial. I think the pop Feilong is a really fun, easy trick, especially if you have a tornado kick and a pop 3. And since those are basic beginner moves, this is a good, easy beginner move that's fun and easy to do. So here's some angles for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Take care.